Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. In a subtraction activity 2, let's start. Subtract the following by backward counting. What is this math, Rama? Backward counting means you are counting from back like this. Now 25 minus 6. 25 minus 6. Count backwards from 25. You are counting from where it is, Amma? 25 backward. So means 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20 and 19. What is that? 25 minus 6. You are counting from backward counting from 25, 25, 24, 23, 22 and 21, 20 and 19. You get how much, Amma? 19. So what is your answer? This is 19 is your answer, Amma. Means 25 minus 6 you get 19. In backward counting 25 minus 6 you get 19. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20 and 19. Now let's see next one, Amma. 42 minus 5. What is that? 42 minus 5. Now this is also backwards from 42. So you are counted, children. All of you tell with me. 42 after what comes? Sorry, 42 before what comes? 42 before what comes, children? Now 41. Say with me, Amma. 42, 41. Next 40. Next 39, 38 and 37. So you get how much? 37. So 42 minus 5 you get 37. What is your answer, Amma? 42 minus 5, 37. Write it, Amma. This is write in your class book. Please copy it. Subtract this is the backward counting. You can understand, children, how to count by backward. Now let's see one more problem. Please copy this. You are counting from 42 by backward. Means you will write before numbers. Okay. Now next one more. 40 minus 3. Now next one. 40 minus 3. Now count backward. Count backward from 40. Now where you will start, Amma? From 40. 40 before 39. Now 39 before 38. Now 38 before 37. So what is your answer, Amma? 37. You get how much? 37. So 40 minus 3 you get 37. Okay. Now this one also you copy. Next I will give homework. This is writing your class book, Amma. Just backward count means you will write before numbers. Before numbers. Forward counting means you will write after numbers. This is you kept in your mind. Backward means you will write before numbers like this. 40 before 39, you get 39. Again 39 before 38. Again 38 before 37. How much here repeated? How many times here repeated? Here what is our question number? 40 minus 3. So only you are repeating 3 times. What you are asking? 3 times. 40 minus 3. So you are repeating only 3 times because this is a question. So here what is that? Here you are repeating only 3 times, but here repeating 5 times because here what is the question? 42 minus 5. So here repeating 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Okay. Next, doing your class work. Sorry, that is your homework. I will give homework, Amma. (93 minus 6). You are repeating how many times? 6 times you write backward countings. Okay, like this. Count backward. Count backwards from where you will start from 93. So how many times? 6 times. Because here what is the question? 93 minus 6. So you write 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. You will write this and write in this. Whatever you get answer, write in this box your answer. Okay. Now one more problem. 97 minus 5. Now this is also backward counting, Amma. From 97. Here repeating how many times? 5 times. So in last box you getting answer. Write in this box that answer. Okay. Now these both are your homeworks, Amma. One more homework. This activity 2. Look at your textbook. This activity 2 do in your textbook also. Okay, activity 2 doing your textbook. Doing textbook, activity 2. This is also homework. Today 2 homeworks are there, Amma. This both doing your classwork or homework book, and again this totally activity 2 do in your textbook and post this textbook, Amma. These 2 homeworks and this textbook also post it. Okay. Writing. Now thank you.